Boom, it's magic, and today, on content that physically pains me, I'm adding sound alerts to my Twitch channel. This isn't a plug, I swear to God. I asked my Discord server for recommendations on sounds, and so far the only result I got was radio barreling. Radio barrel saying he wants it. What's the sound? It just says swag, so... I'm not making a new one for that. It's not worth it. So I figured, because I don't want to think about this, why not make it everyone's problem? So you guys vote for me in the comments down below or in my Discord or wherever you message me. Doesn't matter. I'll total up all the votes. Which swag sound is the best? Is it contestant 1? As you can tell, it's a very, swaggy sound. So if you like that one the best, leave a 1 in the comments, or wherever. Sound number 2.
Swag.
One more time for the ladies in the back.
Swag.
Sound number 3. I kind of like that one, actually. Sound number 4. Honestly, I might just add that one anyway. I don't even... What? And then sound number 5. Okay. Not bad. That's kind of a mid-2000s classic. It's like Mama's Lasagna. Generally good most of the time. So yeah, that's it. I literally just don't want to use any of my brain power, even comprehending the issue at hand, so I figured I'd literally just pass off the issue to you. So yeah, peace out. Remember not to cause too much mischief and mayhem, you magical mad lads. Remember, I bring the boom, but you make the magic happen. Peace the fuck out. If I had leaned like this, only Baby Yoda shows up. Isn't that fucking freaky? What the hell? The demons! The demons, Grogu! The demons! The demons!